Hi everybody, thanks for coming yesterday, those of you who were able to make it to our Aviation STEM Saturday, the fourth Saturday of every month at Peter O. Knight Airport on Davis Island in Tampa, Florida. We had great fun. We had a special pilot, which we do every fourth Saturday, come and talk about his time of flying in the war and his special plane, which was an S-51 Mustang. We're going to get a chance to see it very soon. And the students learned all about air traffic controlling and visited 4 different flight stations to learn how to communicate and take direction, which is very, very important in air traffic control, as we can see some of the things happening across our nation with this top issue right now. So thank you, and take a look at some of the great fun things we did. American Education International has a registered private school in Florida that serves international kids, and the big program that we started.
I've been flying for 47 years. I first got my private pilot's license actually while I was in college. I was 19 years old.
Just because it gives us the flexibility, and it's not just the online portion. Now there's like the in-person 2 times a week that she loves doing, and
a smaller build-it-yourself version of the famous P-51 Mustang from World War II. Oh, good. A lot of people got that one.
I did that for